Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your body when you drink tea every single day? I'm not talking about just feeling relaxed for a moment or enjoying a warm sip in the morning. I mean the deep, fascinating, science-backed changes that take place quietly, slowly, and sometimes dramatically, all because of this one simple daily habit. Well, today, you're about to discover things that will probably surprise you, maybe even shock you, and definitely make you think twice before skipping that next cup of tea. Because the truth is, drinking tea daily does far more than most people realize. And if you stay with me till the end, I promise you'll walk away thinking, wow, I had no idea tea could do all that. So let's start with something most people never think about. The moment tea touches your lips, your brain starts reacting within seconds. There's this amino acid in L-theanine that signals your brain to shift into a calmer yet more focused state. It's not like coffee where your energy spikes and drops. Tea gives you this smooth, steady lift. Many people say tea relaxes them, but what's actually happening is deeper. Your brain waves literally change. Your focus sharpens. Your stress response weakens. You become mentally stable and more centered without even trying. Imagine starting every day with a calmer mind, a clearer head, and fewer emotional ups and downs. That's what daily tea drinkers experience, even if they don't realize it. And then there's your heart. This is huge. When you drink tea every day, your cardiovascular system gets a kind of silent protection. Most teas, green, black oolong, herbal, are packed with something called catechins and polyphenols. These are powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation, reduce oxidative stress, and help keep your arteries flexible. Think of your arteries like pipes. Over time, stress, bad food, and toxins cause buildup and stiffness. But daily tea acts almost like a gentle cleaning crew. It sweeps out free radicals, prevents plaque formation, and helps your blood flow more smoothly. Studies have shown that people who drink tea daily have a lower risk of heart disease, heart attack, and stroke. Not because tea is magical, but because it works silently in the background, improving your heart health, sip by sip, day after day. Now let's talk about something almost everyone cares about: metabolism and weight. Tea is one of the simplest natural metabolism boosters out there, and it doesn't require any crazy diet or workout. The combination of caffeine and antioxidants in tea increases your metabolic rate, meaning your body burns calories slightly faster, even at rest. If you drink green tea or oolong tea, this effect becomes even stronger. It helps your body tap into fat stores more easily, especially around the belly. And here's something interesting. Tea doesn't just boost metabolism, it also reduces cravings. That L-theanine I mentioned earlier stabilizes your appetite hormones. So suddenly you're not snacking as much, not emotionally eating, not craving sugar the way you used to. A simple cup of tea can prevent overeating without you even noticing. Imagine doing that daily. Imagine what that does over weeks, months, even years. But it doesn't stop there. Tea affects digestion in ways that can transform your health from the inside out. If you ever feel bloated, heavy, or just uncomfortable after meals, tea might become your best friend. Herbal teas, like peppermint, ginger, and chamomile, soothe your digestive tract. Green and black teas support the growth of good gut bacteria. And since your gut health affects everything: your immunity, mood, weight, skin, drinking tea daily gives your whole body a boost. Think of it like giving your stomach a warm, comforting hug. It relaxes your digestive muscles, reduces inflammation, and helps your body break down food more efficiently. Many people don't even realize tea is responsible for their improved digestion. They just say, "I feel lighter," or "I don't get bloated anymore." That's the quiet power of tea working behind the scenes. Speaking of immunity, this is one of the most underrated effects of drinking tea every day. Tea is loaded with compounds that strengthen your immune system, especially antioxidants like EG, CG. These help your body fight off viruses, bacteria, and infections more quickly. If you're someone who gets sick often, adds tea to your daily routine, and suddenly your body becomes more resilient. You recover faster, you get fewer colds, your system becomes stronger overall. Even your cells repair themselves more efficiently. And here's a cool fact: warm tea can temporarily boost your nasal airflow, helping you breathe easier and clearing your sinuses naturally. That's why people instinctively drink tea when they're sick. But doing it daily helps you build defense long before illness shows up. Now let's move to something most people notice but never connect to tea: energy. Tea gives you a stable, balanced kind of energy that lasts longer than coffee. Coffee hits hard and crashes fast. Tea rises gentle, stays longer, and keeps your mind awake without making your heart race. Daily tea drinkers often say they feel more productive, more focused, and mentally sharper throughout the day. That's because tea supports your adrenal glands, preventing burnout and keeping your energy smooth and steady. If you're constantly tired, drinking tea daily might be one of the simplest ways to feel energized again. And here's something even more fascinating. Tea actually changes your skin. Yes, your skin. Those antioxidants we keep talking about. They don't just help your heart and metabolism, they fight premature aging. They reduce inflammation, protect your skin from UV damage, and support collagen production. Daily tea drinkers often have clearer, brighter, more youthful-looking skin without even trying. If you've struggled with acne, dullness, or uneven tone, adding tea to your daily routine can make a huge difference. Some people say their skin started glowing. Others say their acne reduced. Others say their complexion became more even. Tea works from the inside out, helping your skin heal and regenerate naturally. But one of the most powerful effects of tea is on your stress and mood. In a world where people feel anxious, overwhelmed, and mentally drained, tea is like a natural calming therapy. The combination of L-theanine and mild caffeine creates what many call alert relaxation. You feel awake yet peaceful, focused yet calm, driven yet centered. Drinking tea daily helps regulate cortisol, the stress hormone. Lower cortisol means better sleep, better mood, better memory, and even better weight control. Imagine ending each day with a cup of tea that signals your body, relax, breathe, unwind. Over time, this becomes a habit that trains your mind to switch off stress more easily. That's why tea drinkers often appear calmer, more composed, and emotionally balanced. Another surprising effect of drinking tea daily is how it supports your bones. People rarely talk about this, but tea contains compounds that help improve bone density, especially in older adults. So while some drinks weaken your bones over time, tea helps protect them. It's a simple daily habit that keeps you stronger as you age. Now let's talk about one of the biggest benefits: longevity. Many of the longest living populations in the world drink tea daily, not just because it's tradition, but because tea supports nearly every system in your body. It protects your heart, brain cells, metabolism, immune system, and even your emotional health. It reduces inflammation, which is one of the biggest causes of aging and disease. People who drink tea regularly tend to live healthier, longer lives. And here's the amazing part: the effects of tea build up over time. The longer you drink it daily, the greater the benefits become. It's not a quick fix. It's a lifestyle upgrade. But what happens when you drink tea daily for weeks, months, or even years? Your body changes in ways you might not even notice at first. Your digestion gets smoother. Your mind becomes clearer. Your skin brightens. Your stress decreases. Your energy becomes more stable. Your heart becomes healthier. Your immune system strengthens. And perhaps the biggest change, you start feeling more in control of your body and your life. Now, of course, balance matters. Drinking tea with too much sugar cancels out many benefits. Drinking extremely strong tea on an empty stomach might cause acidity for some people. And drinking too much caffeine late in the day can affect sleep. But when you drink tea the right way, moderate, balanced, daily, it becomes one of the simplest yet most powerful habits for better health. So think about this: every time you make a cup of tea, you're not just drinking a beverage. You're giving your body a dose of antioxidants, a boost of calm energy, a shield against disease, a support system for your heart and brain, and a natural therapy for stress and mood. Most people see tea as something casual, simple, ordinary. But the truth is, it's one of the most powerful natural health boosters on the planet. Imagine waking up tomorrow and starting your day with a cup of tea, then doing it the next day, and the next, and the next. Imagine what your life looks like 30 days from now, 90 days, a year. The changes would be incredible, all from one small daily habit. So, the next time someone asks you, why do you drink so much tea? You'll know the answer. Because tea isn't just a drink, it's a lifestyle, a medicine, a daily ritual that heals, energizes, and strengthens you from the inside out.